Have you ever wondered how your favorite apps know what to recommend? How companies like Netflix or Amazon seem to know you better than you know yourself? That magic is powered by data, but it's not just about data, it's about having the right tools in your hands to unlock that power. And here's the exciting part, these tools are available to everyone, whether you're a beginner or an expert. In this video, we're diving deep into the must-have tools for every data scientist, from the programming languages that form the foundation to the collaborative platforms that bring your ideas to life. We're talking about Python, SQL, Jupyter Notebooks, Git and GitHub. These aren't just buzzwords, they're your keys to unlocking a world of possibilities. So, whether you're just starting your data science journey or looking to level up your skills, stick around, because this video is for you. First on the list is Python, the Swiss Army knife of data science. Python is like that easygoing friend who's always there when you need them. It's beginner-friendly, yet powerful enough to handle the most complex tasks. You pick up the basics quickly, and then you realize just how much depth there is to it. With libraries like Pandas and NumPy, Python allows you to manipulate large data sets effortlessly. It's like having a team of super-efficient assistants who can sort, filter, and analyze mountains of information in seconds. And trust me, when you're dealing with data, efficiency is key. And let's not forget about visualization. Tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn let you tell compelling stories with your data. Think about this. In a world full of noise, those who can tell clear, compelling stories stand out. It's about taking raw numbers and turning them into insights that people can understand and act on. With Python, you can not only find the signal in the noise but also present it in a way that gets people to listen. That's the power of Python. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about making sense of them in a way that matters. Next, we have SQL, the language of databases. Now, data is everywhere, right? It's in the cloud, on your devices, across different platforms. SQL is how you talk to all that data, no matter where it lives. It's the universal language of data retrieval. Imagine trying to dig for gold without a map. You might stumble upon something, but it's going to take you a long time. SQL is that map, helping you navigate vast databases and retrieve exactly what you need. No more sifting through endless spreadsheets. You can pinpoint the exact information you want in seconds. And here's a secret. Mastering SQL is a game changer. It will set you apart because data management is where many people struggle. Think about it. Everyone wants insights, but not everyone can access and understand the data that drives those insights. Picture yourself in a meeting surrounded by decision makers. They ask for insights no one else can provide. But you, with SQL under your belt, can deliver those insights instantly. The ability to pull and manipulate data makes you indispensable. You become the go-to person, the problem solver, the data whisperer, and that's a powerful position to be in. Chapter 3. Jupyter Notebooks, your data playground. Now, Jupyter Notebooks is where your creativity and technical skills come to life. Think of it as your personal laboratory, your data playground. It's a tool where you can experiment, document, and visualize data all in one place. Imagine this. You're working on a complex analysis, and you want to be able to see your code, your results, and your visualizations all together seamlessly. That's what Jupyter Notebooks allows you to do. It's like having a digital notebook where you can jot down ideas, run your code, and see the results instantly. But it's not just for you. You can share your findings with others in a beautifully organized format. It's not enough to just have the answers, you need to be able to communicate them clearly and effectively. Jupyter Notebooks helps you do just that. It's like being a chef who not only cooks an amazing meal, but presents it in a way that's irresistible. People are drawn to clarity and presentation. In today's data-driven world, the ability to not only solve problems but communicate those solutions effectively is priceless. Jupyter Notebooks gives you that edge. It's about making your work accessible, understandable, and impactful. Chapter 4. Git and GitHub. Collaboration is key. Finally, let's talk about Git and GitHub. Now, as you work on data projects, things can get messy. You're constantly making changes, experimenting with different approaches, and it's easy to lose track of everything. That's where version control comes in, and that's where Git shines. Git helps you track every change you make to your code. Think of it like having unlimited save points in a video game. You can experiment freely, knowing that you can always go back to a previous version if things go wrong. And trust me, things will go wrong. And GitHub takes that version control and adds a whole new level of collaboration. It allows you to work with others seamlessly no matter where they are in the world. Imagine building something with a team, where every person can contribute from anywhere in the world without stepping on each other's toes. That's the power of Git and GitHub. You're not just a data scientist, you're part of a global community of creators. Humans are social beings. We crave collaboration, and tools like GitHub allow you to connect with other innovators. Whether you're working on an open source project or creating the next big thing with a team, collaboration is the future, and these tools make it possible. Outro: the future is data-driven. The world of data is growing at an unimaginable pace. Every click, every interaction, every sensor is generating more data than ever before. But here's the thing. Data is meaningless without the right tools and the right people to make sense of it. With these tools, Python, SQL, Jupyter Notebooks, Git and GitHub, you're not just learning how to code or analyze data. You're learning how to make an impact. You're giving yourself the ability to turn raw information into knowledge and knowledge into action. The question is, are you ready to step into that role? Are you ready to become the person who transforms raw data into solutions that change the world? Because with these tools, the only limit is your imagination.